Yeah, let's go rip some ditches. Clove on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check and do your job. What, do you not tighten these things?
I thought I had them tightened up.
The missile knows where it is at all times.
First one off, 2025, bud. Oh yeah. They didn't notice, it's okay. I f***ed her. Oh, my knee. That was retarded. What do you do? I can do that.
Oh, you got her.
Professional. There's a way better way to do this.
Oh, Billy.
Hey, are my bars supposed to look like this? Hey, do you have your little pliers?
Yeah.
Do you tighten these units up?
Yeah.
Mine was going good till the bars f***ed up.
Oh, sucker, shut off. I had those tight. I don't know what the f is going on.
I don't believe you.
Well, oh, do you know
You're
what it
out
could
to
be?
get me.
No, do you know what it is?
What?
The spray paint.
Oh, it doesn't grip?
No, it's just the spray paint's breaking free, so it probably needs to be tightened more now.
The friggin' throttle kicked on, and it let go and friggin' ripped it out of my hands. Friggin' bikes just in the trees.
I told you that was gonna be an issue.
Yeah, they get caught every single time.
Yeah, maybe we'll pull the ones off the China bike then.
Unless I'm leaned over, but if I'm leaned over so much, it'll just roll down the hill.
Yeah.
Oh well, we tried. Dude, every time.
Try going up like right there. What you doing?
Which way to go?
This one.
Alright boys, this could be a really good idea, it could be a really bad idea, I don't know. Oh, we made her! That is What's that?
Old dumpster. You passed him?
Oh fuck yeah! He wasn't following when I went by him. Go. King of the hill, Billy. King of the hill.
Dude, this little tag already got caught.